Hi, it's Filip from DLRPFans. I'm here to bring you the latest news updates straight from the heart of the magic at Disneyland Paris. At Disneyland Paris, the magic now begins in the parking lot. The guest parking area has undergone a major transformation, now featuring one of Europe's largest solar canopy plants. With over 80,000 solar panels covering 11,200 spots, it generates around 17% of the resort's electricity needs, while also providing shade, shelter, and over 500 electric vehicle charging stations. But the updates aren't just technical. Decorative medallions featuring iconic Disney characters adorn the structures, immersing guests in the magic from the moment they arrive. And along the pathways to Disney Village and the park entrance, 23 stars and a Mickey Mouse silhouette engraved in the ground pay tribute to Walt Disney's famous quote, "It was all started by a mouse." Even before entering the gates, guests are already part of the story. To celebrate the 30th anniversary of the attraction, a brand new jumbo key is being released, a limited edition of 1,995 units. At Disneyland Paris, elegance and storytelling bloom together, quite literally. In the rose garden of the newly reimagined Disneyland Hotel, a unique flower now stands as a symbol of refinement, the rose au bois dormant. Created exclusively for the hotel, this rose was developed in partnership with one of France's oldest rose breeders, the Roseraie Doucet, established in 1845. With a soft fragrance and a hue inspired by the hotel's iconic facade, it captures both the magic and sophistication of the location. The rose's creation was the result of a year and a half long collaboration between the hotel's product development and horticulture teams. As senior manager Hélène Chopin explains, the Roseraie Doucet was chosen for its heritage, craftsmanship, and ability to bring Disney's creative vision to life. More than just a flower, the Rose au Bois Dormant is a celebration of French savoir faire and the timeless stories that make Disneyland Paris so special. Attention, Space Rangers! Buzz Lightyear Laser Blast at Disneyland Paris has officially closed for a major refurbishment set to be completed by the end of 2025. Teams from Walt Disney Imagineering Paris, maintenance and central workshops have joined forces to revamp the popular Discoveryland attraction. From ride systems to scenery, nearly every part of the experience will see enhancements or full replacements. Outside the Star Command facade, with its radars, towers, and iconic Buzz Lightyear statue, will be repainted, and the attraction's neon lighting will be completely upgraded for a more vibrant look. Inside, the ride vehicles will receive new dashboards and repainted exteriors, while all Astro Blasters will be replaced with brand new models. Lighting effects will also be overhauled, with upgraded spotlights and improved target precision for a sharper, more immersive adventure. Even the audio animatronics will be restored, ensuring a refreshed and seamless experience from start to finish. The mission: to bring this fan favorite space battle back brighter, sharper, and better than ever, just in time for its return at the end of 2025. Ready for your next mission, recruit? A brand new exclusive collection has landed, inspired by the high speed Avengers Assemble Flight Force attraction at Disneyland Paris. Step into the world of Marvel with gear that's as bold and powerful as the heroes who wear it. Iron Man and Captain Marvel are counting on you. The fate of Earth may rest in your hands. Are you ready to answer the call? Get ready to shine because a brand new exclusive Pandora bracelet has just debuted at Disneyland Paris. This limited edition piece celebrates the movie that started it all. With only 2006 bracelets available, a special nod to the year High School Musical was released. It's stylish, collectible, and available only at Disneyland Paris. Once they're gone, they're gone. Starting today, guests can step into the all-new Starbucks lounge at Disney Hotel Cheyenne, now fully renovated and ready to welcome you in true Western style. Located right in the heart of the hotel, this reimagined space offers a cozy and immersive setting, perfect for enjoying your favorite drinks with a cowboy twist. Completely redesigned to match the hotel's rustic charm, this new Starbucks adds even more options for breakfast and delicious breaks throughout the day. It's the perfect stop for a relaxing moment on your Disneyland Paris adventure. Disneyland Paris cast members got an exclusive look behind the scenes as the horticulture and entertainment workshops opened their doors. The horticulture team showcased their craft with themed topiaries like the Cheshire Cat and Pascal, inspired by Epcot's Flower and Garden Festival. These creative drip-irrigated plant sculptures brought fresh magic to the park. Meanwhile, the entertainment workshops revealed the ingenious artistry behind the scenes, from sculpting and 3D printing to puppeteering, including the giant Pepita puppet from Coco, and detailed set elements like Carl's stenciled wallpaper in Together, a Pixar musical adventure. Together, these teams bring imagination and skill to life, blending passion with craftsmanship to keep the magic blooming. Thanks for tuning in to these latest news updates from Disneyland Paris. If you enjoyed staying informed, please like this video and subscribe to DLRPFans for more fresh news straight from the heart of the magic. Don't forget to ring the bell to stay updated on all new releases. See you soon.